What's going on, my friends? Mr. By the Mile, thanks for being here again. Fresh out of CDL school. Should you go to Flatbed? It is my opinion that you continue on with dry van. It is my opinion that you go to JB Hunt. It is my opinion that you will get the best experience possible from JB Hunt. And it is my opinion through my own experience. I truly believe if I had stayed at the CDL school that I was at, night transportation, I wouldn't have got as much backing experience as well as maneuvering experience as I did with JB Hunt. I was delivering locally and regionally within my first 3 months of obtaining my CDL. So that is why it is my opinion. You know, I'm not gonna write anything off as truth. You know, it's what worked for me. A lot of people have followed what I've done, the route that I've taken, and discovered that it was the best route for them too. Like I said, I was home every day by the time I hit my first 3 months of experience in driving with a Class A CDL. So in the end, you make your own decision, you do what's gonna work for you. If you're a family man, is how I suggest taking the route that I did. If you're not a family man, stay over the road, my man, and have fun. With the experience, you get more cent per mile. You know, Flatbed, to me, in my opinion, I think that Flatbed takes more experience. To get comfortable enough and to have enough. You really got to have some skill before getting into Flatbed with driving, because maneuvering a flatbed is a whole other world. Sure, it's something you can get used to, but then you also got to worry about securing your load. And if you're the type of person that moves a little slower with trucking, as far as maneuvering goes and backing and all that, you know, then just stick with the vans. Stick with the refrigerators until you become confident. Then go to Flatbed. But that is my opinion. As usual, I'm making it short but sweet and giving it you truthfully as it should be. And you guys are big boys and big girls. Make your decision for yourself. If you choose to go with the company that I'm with, and you're able to, of course, provide proof that you are at that company that I am working for, I will not hesitate to exchange phone numbers with you so that I can give you a little help, a little advice, a little knowledge based on the extent of my own experience. And you can call me day or night, rain or shine, snow, sleet, hail, all that. And if I can't answer your question or give you a hand, I will get someone who can. When it comes to Flatbed, understand that you are never alone. There will always be someone there to help you, okay? Especially with technology now, the phones, the way they are, you know, FaceTime and all that good stuff, right? So, I gotta get going. I gotta take off here. So, for those of you who recently came on board, congratulations. Glad to have you here. For those of you that are interested, The information is in the description box below. Mr. By the Mile, hit that thumbs up. If you disliked, hit thumbs down twice. All you truck drivers out there, new and veteran, take care, stay safe, see you on the road.